All right, for real this time. First break. Chronicles. 2021, of course.
Mm-hmm.
I already sliced into a box of last year's team all, and Sam says you can. We're opening that too. Teams. Again, this was a tiered random. Tier 1 is Premier League.
There's going to be a Mason Mount, like, 1-of-1 ticket in the team all.
La Liga.
I should have just opened.
Yeah.
I almost opened all those team alls, and there's, like, nothing now.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Well, they don't have, like, there's just not much in them.
Yeah.
They have, like, the red parallels and stuff. This camera is...
What happened? Probably from the big Friday extravaganza. Got rowdy in here. Oh, doing the bonus box first.
Yeah, I'll just do this. Get this out of the way and then on to the real stuff.
Top of the morning. Oh, yeah.
Riva. Cavaro. Zaniolo.
Not the sharpest
Rookie ticket. And the other reds are Recca, Barea, Duncan, Calderoni.
Calderoni. No. Yes, Friday, Big G's.
Suarez relic for Barcelona.
I have some select Euro 2020 from last year that we should probably open during the tournament.
Yeah. That's for like this year's Euro tournament, right?
Yeah.
Like the teams are all...
That's a stump on the tree. Nolan said something hilarious today after we were putting. I was like, well, I think you're ready to just go play on a real golf course, you know? And he was like,
Yeah.
no, I'm not. You know, and I was like, it doesn't matter if it takes you 20 shots to get to the hole, who cares?
Yeah.
And he was like, yeah, but if we go out to a real course, those guys on the tournament,
Tarkowski rookie
on TV, are going to beat me like by a million shots. I was like, we won't be playing against those guys. And he was
funny.
like, yeah, he was like, do you think you could be a pro golfer? And I was like, no, not even remotely. He's like, how many people are better at golf than you? And I was like, millions?
Like everybody.
Millions and millions of people. Then the other thing, yeah, I guess.
Syria.
He doesn't really understand that it's a different universe. I mean, if you've never golfed, never gone to a golf course, how would you know that it's like normal people play at a course and the pros? I guess, you know,
Yeah.
It sort of makes sense.
Yeah, I guess it's a little strange that he doesn't understand the concept of there being like thousands of golf courses and like they're not playing at the same place every time or something, you know.
Wait. Oh, okay. Never mind. Go ahead. This one. Okay. The other funny thing he said was
Pereira Contenders Optic Hollow. Vieira for Torino. Historic ticket. That old Torino. JG.
oh, JG. He goes
Ekdal 23.
cracked eyes.
Cracked eyes. Ibra.
we were on that little putting green, and he had a putt that went too far and like rested against one of the rocks that's over there.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, "Oh, don't worry about it. Just you don't have to hit it like off the rock. You know, just move it out." And he goes, "Yeah, there's no rocks in golf. Like in real golf, there's no rocks."
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, there are. Like they just remove every rock on a golf course.
Yeah, it's just all open.
When they invented golf in like Scotland or whatever, rule number 1: there will be no rocks anywhere that you could possibly hit.
I forgot how much more complicated this one is than last year.
Yeah, it is.
There's more going on for sure. Villarreal, Carlos Baca. Abesy. Alcaraz to 99. Via Libre, rated rookie. There's like more sets or something, or like, and they use the same ones. Last year they like Donruss was only Premier League and Prestige was only Serie A, and
I need to look up what rookies are in here that are selling. It's kind of tough. There's so many different, like you said, different parallels and stuff.
Yeah, there's a lot going on in this.
Oh yeah, that guy didn't make it through 2020.
Fabianski. Really?
See, wasn't it? Fountains of Wayne guy like passed away.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
To 49. James Ward-Prowse to 500 for Southampton. JG. Bruno Fernandez. That's a nice one for a nice Bruno Fernandez Spectra.
Did you hear all the Holland to Chelsea talk going on?
No, is it?
Yeah, I don't know if it's real.
Heating up?
It's all over my Twitter.
What would they do with Portimo?
I know.
Have we still not gotten a La Liga autograph?
Yeah, I don't think so. It's kind of a weird week because we have nothing today.
Yeah.
Nothing new. But then Friday, Prism draft picks football, which is usually the best of the draft stuff.
Donnarumma.
Did you see them making Mosaic draft?
Gianluigi. Oh, really?
Mosaic draft football.
To 199.
And Chronicles draft football.
AC Milan, right? Man, that is so frustrating. NY Card Guy. The sets that don't have the team names written on them.
Oh, yeah.
Ibrahimovic to 88. Herrera, Contenders Optic. Yeah, like those. I'm supposed to just know which Italian team that crest belongs to.
Need to make some flashcards.
Yeah, there's only... Well, I probably know maybe 10 from La Liga and Serie A. And then, luckily, a few of them say the name on the crest. Like, it'll, you know.
Yeah.
Like, you can kind of make out what it is. I have never proclaimed to be a La Liga or Serie A fan. I know all the Premier League ones. But Elche, that's like, you know, they just got called up too. Whereas Valencia, Serie 06.
Yeah, we gotta have soccer and hockey because you guys are already done. You won't even fill finest already.
Salvi Sanchez to 99. Morente rookie. Luke de Jong. Yeah, they filled these first. We didn't move them around. I like that old that crest. It's like an old soccer ball wrapped in a.
I think museums next week, but I don't know. Oh, how do I get these? You know what I thought would be fun? I was like, oh, we could do a box of Topps Chrome Jumbo from 18. Like Otani, whatever. Have you seen the price of those?
They're up there?
Jeez.
That's also one of the ones that is a little risky, too.
Yeah.
Lasso, is it? Graham Lasso? We've had him before, too. JG. Yeah, I would imagine those are a little expensive. Ndombele. And Ndidi.
Wait. No, I didn't mean to bait you into finance. I'm just saying we got to do other sports. It could be a result of me driving the other sports that all the hardcore
baseball people left.
Quit. Could be my fault. I'm surprised though. I thought Finest was way better than last year.
Yeah.
I guess the rookie's not as hot as last year,
but like I
I
said to you, yeah. That's not the guy we got 2 of the other day, I don't think.
Oh, I thought it was.
That we have definitely gotten that before though.
God.
Is there like 5 people on the autograph checklist or what?
Yeah, that could be.
You know, I don't know.
This is a weird product, huh?
Oh, this is interesting. I'm just gonna go for it. Let's see. It's a redemption. Contenders historic rookie ticket Serie A autographs. Allison. I'm not familiar with Allison. Alberto /99. Pellegrini. Barrow.
Bud Light break. Big Cheese, how crazy was that race?
Yeah. That was a wild one this weekend. I'm glad I actually didn't see anything and got up and
yeah, I did not look at my phone.
Yeah, me either.
Till it was over. That was the most entertaining race I've seen.
Well, and then I got 2 ESPN notifications, and I was like, please let that not be the...
Yeah. I've had every race spoiled for me so far except for that one. That was the first one.
Me too.
Spoiled.
Burgos. Oh, well, we got an autograph from La Liga. And it's Diego Maradona.
Wow.
Look at that thing. Wow.
Dang.
Who's got him?
Yamarino.
Is that a newer user?
Are you new?
Jeez, what a card. Can I see that again now that it's in a top loader? Autographs all on the sticker, too. That can be an issue with Maradona. Look at that thing. He's averaging 1 Maradona autograph per break so far. Congratulations, man. A beauty. Mir. Casillas historic ticket. Valverde.
Silver, huh?
Yes, Prism Silver. An orange cracked ice thingy in here.
He is. UCCF.
Podence. Orange Cracked Ice rookie to 23. Rated rookie. That's a good looking card. David Louise for Arsenal. MW Claw.
That was just... Was that this year?
It was
early this
pretty
year?
recent, yeah.
Yeah, there's a big thing about like his
Indeedy.
doctors weren't taking care of him correctly, or they did something wrong. Or, like, being
But he's
sued.
also looked really
Yeah.
not good in public for quite a
Had
while,
a lot
too.
of problems.
Obviously, a recovering addict.
Guess they got some stickers before he passed. Those look awesome.
Yeah, that's a really good looking card. Yeah. Ooh. This is interesting too. Now, I saw the back of a, or the flash of the front of a card here. Let's see. It is Jaka? Jaka? I saw that it was a gold. A gold for Genoa. JG. 1 of 10. Not familiar with his work, but Romagnoli for AC Milan.
Brown Ranger. That's pretty good.
And my card guy. Illich, rated rookie.
Yeah. Yeah, you're not welcome here, Red Raider. Totally banned. If anyone sees Red Raider in chat, let me know, because he's banned. Woes me.
Salvi Sanchez, silver.
W-H-O-A. Woes me.
Whoa. Varane for Real Madrid. Joseph D. That's a blue press proof to 99. Carrillo.
Oh, why can't the weather be like this all the time? It's perfect.
Yeah. Yeah, the last 2 days have been awesome. We might get out of here in time for me to go and shoot some hoops again tonight.
Yeah. Yeah, that's fun.
My only concern is that there's ever anyone else there.
Yeah.
That's the only.
Because then you'll have to challenge him 1v1.
Yeah, you know, my pride gets the better of me.
Yeah. Dunk on him. Next thing you're injured, going to the urgent care.
Yeah. Oh, Sam.
What?
Sam. Graham Lasso.
What?
It is unbelievable.
Are you sure that's not the guy we hit 2 of before?
No, I'm positive. It was the other guy was in Serie A, I think. We definitely had 1 of these before and 2 now in this break.
Stupid.
JG. Well, you saw me take these out of the sealed case too.
Yeah,
They came from
new
the same
case.
the same place. Milivojevic to 10. Allen to 99. Rashford from Select.
What was the girl on... Oh, man, I can't remember the movie. Mila Jovovich?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they're... ECCF and I have the same thought. Fifth Element.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, we need more Graham Lasso top loaders. Can you grab a pack of those?
Yeah. They have Graham Lasso embossed on the top like the rookie card
Yeah,
one.
exactly. We're really running through those things. I don't even know why I bought them, but it turns out it's a good idea. All right. I don't really have them in order, but
yeah, just take them on a league by league basis.
Yeah.
These are the Serie A hits. We had the Allison redemption. Oh yeah. Well, obviously I will look up who Allison is on the checklist, but
oh, it doesn't say the team.
Xhaka. No, the Panini one's still down.
Oh right.
Also, the expiration dates are creeping closer and closer. You get 18 months on this.
Cool.
Illich. Pereira silver. We have the Vieri. Is Vieri a big name? Historic ticket for Turin. The triple relic. Donnarumma. Gianluigi. Alright. And then the considerable Graham Lasso pile. 2 more Graham Lassos. Ward Prowse, David Louise. This really cool Potence to 23 orange cracked ice optic.
He is a legend in Syria.
Yeah, awesome. Fernandez.
Autograph version was $20. Dang. I know they have like the non-auto.
Look at this. We got a Maradona historic ticket. Our first and only La Liga autograph.
Oh, yeah.
So far. Burgos silver.